Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in today again. Today's video is on makeup and Gele.
Mansions to many mansions. The girls in the Aruba doing belly dancing. Spent half of my advancing jars from Branson to make it through my circumstances. But you know I'm wise enough never just to hide my pound. Got a house in the so I'm.
And please, if you haven't subscribed, please do so and on your notification please, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd like to see your comments below on what you think about this video. So yeah, let's get into the video. So yeah, I'm just prepping her skin first with black opal moisturizer, then I'll go in with Pond's primer and afterglow just to add glow to her face. For our foundation, I'm using Revlon and Jordana 2-in-1. We'll leave all the details of the product in the description box so that you guys can go check them out. And then I'm just applying the foundation with a brush, a standard foundation brush, and then after that we'll just blend with a beauty sponge. This beauty sponge is really soft. I got it from AliExpress. Highlighting, I'm actually using Gele concealer in Fawn, just applying it first with a brush and then I'll go in with a blending sponge. So this is because I do not want the sponge to actually soak off the product. That's why I'm actually applying it with the brush first before going in the beauty blender. After blending the concealer, we'll use the part I used to blend the foundation to go over everything so that there won't be any demarcation between the foundation and the concealer. When applying the foundation, I don't know if you guys noticed, I did not apply foundation underneath her eyes. Reason is because I don't want too much product on her eyes so that the whole look won't look cakey at the end of the day. After applying and blending the concealer underneath her eyes, we just go in with the foundation I used on her face. This reason is because I want the face to be flawless, don't want any harsh lines or any harsh demarcation between the nose and the highlight underneath her eyes. So we set the concealer with Sacha Buttercup using a different blending sponge. For her brows now, I do have a video on how to define your brows properly. We'll leave the link in the description box so that you can go check it out. The first eyeshadow I'm going to apply is from Nubian Beauty called Kite. It's going to serve as a transition color, so I'm applying it with a blending brush that comes with the palette. So the second color is from the same palette and it's called Ene, so I'll just apply that on her outer V. So I'm applying it with a blending brush, and this particular brush comes in a set. I got them from AliExpress. I did a review on them back in the days, so I will also leave the link of the brush and also of the video in the description box so that you guys can go check them out. I'm using Tara eyeshadow primer to help create the halo look. Now I'm setting the primer with the color called Foamy from the same eyeshadow palette. Wing line and apply false lashes off camera just so that you guys won't get bored and so that the video won't be too long for you guys. Dusting out the setting powder I applied before using classic powder, and I'm also setting the foundation I applied before with the same powder. I'm setting, dusting and blending at the same time. I'm just adding little color to her face with sleek blush. After that, we'll add glow to her face. We'll leave all the details of the product in the description box, so you guys please check the description box for all the details. Underneath her eyes, called the waterline, we'll just line it with Hegia and Esther eyeliner, and we'll also use the same color I used on her outer V to smudge the eyes. For her lips, I'm using Huda Beauty lip liner and lip stain in light purple on her lips. I'm setting the whole look with Nubian Beauty setting spray. So yeah, we're done with the face. Over to the Gele. This Gele is not a Gele tutorial and is not a bridal Gele. This is just for a wedding guest, so please enjoy. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end, and please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, or your notifications so that you don't get to miss any new video from me. Share to friends and family. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'd like to see your comments below in the comment section. Stay blessed. Peace.